Welcome to Gyan Bharati Junior College of Science, Gurgaon. Dear student, in the last lecture we have seen the derivation for the safety speed of the vehicle when it is travel along the horizontal horizontal curve. But dear student, today we are going to discuss about the point the vehicle moving along the bank road. So here is the word bank road. So what do you mean by the banking of road? This is banking of road. ये बैंकिंग क्या होता है? So in the daily life we come across the various types of the turns on the road. So in order to drive the vehicle safety, there must be the friction between the road surface and the tires of the vehicle, and this can be done either by making the surface of the road rough, but that is not appropriate for the speed of the vehicle. If we are going to rub the surface of the road, then the speed of the vehicle will be decreased and we cannot drive the vehicle safely and with a particular speed. In the rainy season, there may become water on the surface of the road, and this may again decrease the friction, and therefore there is the effect of that friction on the speed of the vehicle. So in order to avoid the accident on the curved road, the upper edge of the road, suppose this is the road, and here is the upper edge of the surface of the road. Means this is the upper edge or upper surface of the road, and this can be taken or inclined at an angle theta with the horizontal surface. ये horizontal surface से क्या किया है कि upper edge of the road must be inclined at a suitable angle. अब ये जो एंगल तैयार हुआ है, क्रिएट हुआ है, this angle made by the inclined surface, upper edge of the road surface is the horizontal, is called as the what? Angle of banking. And this remedy and this procedure or this process is called as the banking of road. So here the banking of road is the remedy in order to overcome the accident on the curved surfaces of the road. So in this process, the outer edge or the upper edge must be inclined at a suitable angle so that there must be the angle theta. This angle between the one upper edge which is inclined with the horizontal surface is called as the angle of banking. So in order to derive the expression here for the safety speed of the vehicle on the bank road, we have to consider here the vehicle. Suppose this is the surface of the road which makes angle theta with the horizontal, and here is the center C of the curve. Here is the vehicle having mass M and its weight will be mg. So here M is the mass of the vehicle. Mass of vehicle, you know the mass. C is the center, theta is the angle of banking, angle of banking, angle of banking. Therefore, the weight of the vehicle is acting in the downward direction. This is the M. So at this position, here is the two forces acting on the vehicle. Number first one is its weight mg acting in the downward direction. Another force of the normal reaction. So this normal reaction will be acted at the perpendicular direction on the road surface. So here is the normal reaction making an angle of 90 degree with the inclined surface of the road. So here is the normal reaction. So this is normal reaction, capital M. This is normal reaction. So second forces, these are the forces acting on the vehicle. Number first one is the weight mg acting in the downward direction, and secondly the normal reaction. Normal reaction. Normal reaction. Normal reaction. This normal reaction is at right angle with the road surface. So this normal reaction can be resolved into the two components because this is the vector, and this vector can be resolved into two components. One of the component is in the vertical direction, in the opposite direction to the weight mg. So this component is named as m cos theta. Here is the angle theta made by the m cos theta component with the normal reaction. And the second component is the m sin theta. This is m sin theta. So this m can be divided into two components. The first one is the m cos theta and m sin theta. Out of which the m cos theta is in the upward direction, and which is again opposite to the weight mg, because here the mg is acting in the downward direction and m cos theta in the upward direction. Again here m sin theta is in the horizontal direction and directed toward the center of the curve. And in this direction again, this force is acted, centripetal force is acting. So here by the condition means here mg is equal to m cos theta. This is your equation number 2. So in this case we are going to neglect here the forces of the friction between the road surface and the tires of the road. So without considering the frictional forces, यहाँ पे मैंने कोई भी फ्रिक्शन फोर्स जो प्ले कर रहा था मैंने क्या किया, इग्नोर कर दिया है. So from this m is equal to m cos theta because this is equal in magnitude but opposite in direction, therefore m cos theta is equal to mc. But secondly, the force of centripetal is acted towards the center of the circle along the radius. ये अपन ने बोला था. Means यहाँ पे क्या होगा, m v square upon r is equal to m sin theta. This is your equation number 2. Why this is the negative. ये ऐसे होता है opposite the radius, that is the radius vector. ये माइनस होगा, ये प्लस होगा, इधर चला जाने के बाद इसका साइन बदल जाएगा. So divide here equation 2 by equation 1. अब ये इक्वेशन को मुझे क्या करना है, ये फर्स्ट इक्वेशन से क्या करना है, डिवाइड करना है. सो इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन m v square upon r divided by 1 upon mg is equal to m sin theta upon m cos theta. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, n get cancel, means n get cancel, n get cancel. यहाँ पे small m mass get cancel. Therefore remaining terms will be v square upon rg is equal to tangent of theta. मुझे क्या मिला है, v square upon rg is equal to tan theta. ये एक्सप्रेशन मिला है. But I want to determine here the speed of the vehicle, safety speed, maximum speed. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा, therefore v square is equal to, rearranging the terms you will get here the, that is v square is equal to rg into tan of theta. Therefore v निकालना है मुझे, मैक्सिमम स्पीड क्या है, सेफ्टी स्पीड, v max equal to अंडर रूट ऑफ rg into tangent of theta. So this is the safety speed, maximum safety speed of the vehicle on the bank road, एट एन एंगल ऑफ थीटा। मींस ये मुझे देगा अंडर रूट ऑफ द RG tan थीटा, अंडर रूट ऑफ RG tan थीटा। Here R is the radius of the bank road. G is the acceleration due to gravity which is constant, and tan theta, theta is the angle made by the inclined surface with the horizontal. Means V max equal to under root of RG tan theta. This is due to the safety speed of the vehicle on the bank road. But here from this equation, ये जो equation मुझे मिला है, expression मिला है, means I want to able to find here the value of the safety speed of the car or the vehicle, any other vehicle which is considered. But if the question is asked, find the angle of banking, ऐसे अगर बोला है तो क्या करना है? तो ये एक्सप्रेशन मुझे दिख रहा है, यहाँ से क्या होगा? थीटा निकालना है मुझे, यहाँ से थीटा। So थीटा के लिए क्या होगा? So this equation implies here that theta is equal to ये tan चला जाएगा, means tan inverse of v square upon rg, so theta is equal to tan inverse of v square upon rg. This is angle of banking, it is angle of banking. So if the question is asked for the determination of the angle of banking, you must find the theta here. Theta is equal to tan inverse of v square upon RC. If the question is asked for the determination of the safety speed of the vehicle, maximum safety speed of the vehicle on the bank road, so you must derive this expression V max equal to under root of the RC tan theta, without considering here the frictional forces. But if ऐसे बोला है कि वहां पे फ्रिक्शनल फोर्सेस भी क्या हो रहा है, रोल प्ले कर रहा है, तो ये डेरिवेशन में कुछ क्या होगा, इंप्रूवमेंट होगा, कुछ टर्म को इंट्रोड्यूस करनी पड़ेगी. सो हियर with the consideration of the frictional forces, there is a certain improvement in the direction. So for this frictional forces, the frictional force will be acting in this direction, that is EFS. ये EFS इतना फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स ऑफ स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन बोला है, तो इसका डायरेक्शन क्या होगा, ये डायरेक्शन होगा EFS. देखिए ये फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स क्या होगा, ये भी डिवाइड होगा इनटू द टू कंपोनेंट्स लाइक दिस, एक वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन, तो ये होगा आपका EFS sin थीटा. इसकी बिल्कुल अपोजिट कितना है, यहाँ पे कौन सा, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, थर्ड ऑर्डर में आ रहा है, मींस EFS sin थीटा. ये क्या हुआ, कंपोनेंट ऑफ द फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स, और ये डायरेक्शन में होगा आपका हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट ऑफ द फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स. मींस in this direction here is the horizontal component of the frictional force named as EFS cos theta. देखा, ठीक है, और ये थीटा होगा. अब ये क्या होगा, EFS is divided into, resolved into two components, EFS sin theta which is vertically in the downward direction and EFS cos theta which is horizontally opposite direction में towards the center. This EFS cos theta horizontal direction. So again here considering the forces which is acting on the vehicle, you must to make some changes in the equations. So for this with mg, अब क्या होगा, mg कहाँ होगा, नीचे की ओर डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन. दूसरा फोर्स कौन सा लग रहा है, EFS sin थीटा भी लग रहा है. फिर दोनों का डायरेक्शन क्या है, सेम इन दी वर्टिकल डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन. Means both the vectors mg and the EFS sin theta acting in the vertically downward direction. So the vectors in the same direction can be added. So here I want to add here mg plus 1 EFS sin theta is equal to क्या होगा, ये होगा आपका ऊपर की ओर in the vertically upward direction, means ये equal होगा m cos theta. I want here only mg, therefore यहाँ पे therefore mg is equal to m cos theta minus EFS sin theta. ये देगा मुझे क्या, mg means वेट देगा मुझे इस डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन. तो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम. और देखते हैं क्या होगा यहाँ पे n sin थीटा fs cos थीटा again acting in the horizontal direction. Again the vectors n sin theta and the fs cos theta in the same direction they can be added. But in this direction again here is the force. कौन सा force है? Which is responsible for the circular motion of the vehicle is the centrifugal force. Therefore ये देखा मुझे क्या? What n sin theta plus fs cos theta minus m v square on r equal to 0. ये क्या होगा? नेगेटिव रहता है, इधर चला जाएगा, दिस विल बी पॉजिटिव. therefore we can write like this n sin theta plus fs cos theta equal to m v square upon r. rearranging the term means क्या होगा? m v square अपॉन r इज इक्वल टू क्या देगा मुझे? n sin theta plus fs cos theta. दिस इज योर इक्वेशन नंबर 2. ये क्या हुआ? इक्वेशन नंबर 2. अब क्या करते हैं? ये इक्वेशन को एक से डिवाइड कर लेते हैं, जैसे कि अपन ने पहले केस में किया था. therefore divide equation 2 by equation 1. अब देखिए क्या होगा? इक्वेशन 2 कौन सा है? m v square upon r divided by mg m into c is equal to ये क्या हुआ? m sin theta plus fs cos theta divided by what factor? ये इक्वेशन 1 का m cos theta minus fs sin theta. अब देखिए इक्वेशन 2 m sin theta plus fs cos theta divided by m cos theta minus fs sin theta. या अब क्या करते हैं? m और m एक दो कैंसिल, क्या रिमेनिंग टर्म v स्क्वायर अपॉन rg इज इक्वल टू क्या बचता है यहाँ पे? m sin theta plus fs cos theta divided by m cos theta minus fs sin theta. ठीक है, अब क्या करते हैं? डिवाइड कर लेते हैं m cos theta से. ठीक है, इक्वेशन नंबर 3 को. तो दिस इज योर इक्वेशन नंबर 3. मींस इक्वेशन 3 इंप्लाई हियर दैट व्हाट? तो इक्वेशन v square upon rc is equal to m sin theta divided by m cos theta से कर रहा हूँ. ये m cos theta प्लस साइन है ऊपर प्लस क्या है? fs cos theta divided by m cos theta divided by m cos theta divided by m cos theta माइनस साइन है, ये माइनस साइन fs sin theta divided by m cos theta. अब देखिए m कैंसिल sin upon cos ये क्या हुआ? tan. therefore in the next line I want to write here that is v square upon rc is equal to n ये cancel means sin upon cos ये हुआ आपका tan theta plus k cos fs upon n. और fs upon n क्या होता है? because here the force of static friction अपने देखा था fs is directly proportional to normal reaction. और क्या हुआ था? इक्वल टू some constant that is the vs into n. Here this vs is called as the coefficient of the static friction. therefore fs upon n ये देखा हम देखते हैं vs coefficient of static friction. so instead of this ratio fs upon n you must write here the vs coefficient of static friction. so here mu s or simply you may write the meters divided by what cos n क्या बताया आपके 1 माइनस sin अपॉन cos क्या बताया 10 और ये fs अपॉन n क्या हुआ fs अपॉन n हुआ meters means meters into sin upon cos 10 yeah sin upon cos 10 plus mu years और ये cos कैंसिल means ये 1 माइनस या फिर समान या mu sin upon cos 10 means ये आया मुझे क्या एक्सप्रेशन क्या एक्सप्रेशन मिला मुझे mu years plus tan theta divided by 1 minus mu years into tan theta। मुझे क्या चाहिए यहाँ पे मुझे स्पीड चाहिए सेफ्टी स्पीड मुझे स्पीड के लिए निकालना है तो फिर आर्ग्यू कर ले जाइए मैं देयरफॉर b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ये आर्ग्यू कर लिया है rc ये फैक्टर क्या हुआ मल्टीपल में चला है मींस mu s प्लस mu tan theta divided by 1 minus mu s tan theta ये क्या हुआ स्पीड का स्क्वायर हुआ मुझे स्पीड का स्क्वायर नहीं चाहिए मुझे क्या चाहिए सिंपली सिंगल टर्म चाहिए v देयरफॉर दिस v इक्वल टू क्या करना पड़ेगा मुझे स्क्वायर रूट लेना पड़ेगा मींस दिस विल बी इक्वल टू दैट इज अंडर रूट ऑफ r into z in the bracket what mu s plus tan theta divided by 1 minus mu s tan theta अब ये क्या देगा मुझे दिस इज द मैक्सिमम सेफ्टी स्पीड ऑफ द व्हीकल Vmax भी लिख सकता हूं मैं इसको Vmax so this is the expression for the safety speed of the vehicle on the bank road when the forces of friction is considered when जब मैंने ये फ्रिक्शनल फोर्सेस कंसीडर नहीं किए तो मुझे क्या मिला था इसमें क्या mu जीरो कर दो ये आ जाता है फिर tan थीटा ये जीरो हो जाएगा मींस r की tan थीटा ही बचता है मींस when the frictional forces are not considered means here there is the friction zero between the road surface and the tires of the vehicle then this simply we can be find out that is the maximum speed of the vehicle means without considering the frictional forces which equal to under of r tan theta but if the forces of the friction are considered you must add this coefficient of the friction therefore Vmax in this case is under root of rg into under root के अंदर देखो क्या आएगा अंडर रूट के अंदर rg into mu plus tan theta upon 1 minus mu tan theta and this equation gives the safety speed of the vehicle whatever may be the vehicle is taken into consideration it may be the car it may be the truck it may be the bulldozer so Vmax is equal to under root of the rg into mu plus tan theta upon 1 minus mu tan theta ये मुझे देगा maximum safety speed of the vehicle when the forces of the friction are considered so here this is the point of the banking of the road. So I hope you understood this topic better. If you have any query or any problem regarding this point, then please try to ask me. Okay, thank you so much.